Hello children, welcome back to grade 5 Computer Digital Learning Platform. Children, today I am going to discuss on the topic utility programs. Let us understand learning outcome of today's class. We are learning to know about utility programs. Children, let's begin our topic utility programs. Utility software perform specific tasks usually related to managing a computer, its devices or its programs. These programs assist in the smooth functioning of the computer system and help it to perform better. Some utilities help you to avoid virus attack, take a backup of data, recover data that has been accidentally erased, etc. Antivirus, backup, disk repair, file management, compression, and network programs are some examples of utility programs. You can buy various utility programs from the licensed computer stores. Some utility programs are also available free of cost on the internet. Children, we will learn about some of the utilities which are important for us. Let us begin with network utility. Network utility checks the network connectivity and configuration of the network devices. It also examines the network speed and performance, monitors network traffic from the console and tracks the bandwidth usage. Children, the network utility help us to find out the speed and performance of the network. Let's move to the next utility, File Manager. File Manager utility helps the user to perform various operations on files such as viewing, editing, copying and deleting. It also helps in managing files and folders and organizing them in a computer storage device. Disk Management utility enables a user to view and manage the disk drives installed in a computer. Children, let us move to the next utility software, that is scanning. The act of examining the computer system, drives or files for possible virus or malware attack is known as scanning. Scanning is done by using antivirus utility. This utility provides protection to your computer against virus attacks. It includes tools to recover lost files and protect your machine against system failure. You should keep on updating your computer with the latest versions of antivirus programs from the internet to ensure that it is able to detect and fight every incoming virus threat. Example of antivirus softwares are QuickHeal, Avasta, AVZ Antivirus, Norton, etc. You can scan your drives, pen drive and the entire computer system using the antivirus software. Let us move to the next utility software, backup. This is a process of storing a copy of data in another storage device so that it can be recovered and restored in case of damage or loss of original data file. Data loss is very common and has caused serious problems for many organizations and individuals. Hence, an intelligent user keeps a backup of his files on various secondary storage devices such as a CD, a flash drive, etc. so that the original data can be restored in case of such failures. Hence, it is essential to have a regular data backup from time to time. Children, it is very important to keep backup for all the computers so that whenever we get failure or damage in softwares, we can recover with the help of backup software. Let us end our session with a home play. Answer these questions in the computer notebook. 1. What is scanning? and backup. 2. Write a short note on the topic antivirus. Children, for better understanding, read chapter number 2 and watch this video once again. Hope you will complete the home play. Thank you.